In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the PIN code on Amazon Prime Video. Changing your PIN code is a straightforward process that can help you manage and secure access to your content, especially if you have younger viewers in your household. Let's dive into the steps and get that PIN updated. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to primevideo.com. This is your one-stop gateway to all things Amazon Prime Video, where you can access settings and personalized content. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll want to click on your profile icon up there. This is where all your account-related settings live. Your profile icon might look like your initials if you haven't set a picture yet. After you've clicked your way in, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Account and Settings. This section houses all your personal information and security settings, so you can adjust your preferences. An important tip here is to ensure you're logged into your account before diving into the settings, as this will ensure you have access to make any necessary changes. Once inside the Account and Settings section, look for and click on the Permissions tab. This part of the site manages everything from parental controls to device restrictions. It's an essential area if you're managing who can do what with your Prime Video account. Now that you're in the Permissions tab, direct your attention to the Prime Video account PIN section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a field to enter the new PIN that you want. When choosing a new PIN, try to make it something memorable for you, but difficult for others to guess, to maximize security. After you've typed in your chosen PIN, there's one last and crucial step, clicking that Save button. It's easy to overlook, but this button finalizes all the changes you've made. Without it, your new PIN won't be set, and you'll have to start over, so make sure to click it before leaving the page. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your PIN code on Amazon Prime Video. Remember, securing your account with a PIN is a great way to ensure that the content available through your subscription is accessed appropriately. It's especially useful if you're sharing your account with family members of different ages. Thanks for tuning in today, and enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies with peace of mind.